So, hello everyone. Special package again. Yes. This is gonna be probably my last upload for the new year. Today is 17th of December. And I am super excited to take a look inside this box, since this was an engine that I owned before the Great Sell as well. So that's super cool. And which means as well that I have almost got every single engine back. There's only a couple that I'm missing, like Harvey I'm missing. Let me think. Stanley I had. For the rest, I don't know. I'll need to search it up. But this here, let's take a look. So this is from the same vendor that I always buy from, basically. So there's another drawing. That's funny. And then let's take a look. So this is all just paper. And then here it is. Make sure there's nothing else inside the box, which there isn't. This here is a Tomy or Trackmaster, I'm not sure yet, Mavis. So this is gonna feel awesome to have back on my track, because Tomy Mavis was one that I really liked, but I never had working because I had a broken gear on her. So Tomy Mavis here, I think it's Tomy. Yes, it is. Let me take a look. 1999. Great traction tires, actually. These traction tires look nice. I'm not sure if you can see it a whole lot because of the shadow, which is shadow. Is that a word? Shadow. There we go. But yeah. So I'm super excited to get her back and running. This is not the Mavis that I had when I sold her, because I had painted some eyebrows on her. So yeah, she's a runner. Awesome. Take a look what type of batteries in there. There's a Panasonic. It's always what I use as well. Nice, and I gotta say her condition's pretty good. 20 euros for her. Very nice. Yeah, it was definitely worth it. Come on. I'll just do it like that. Okay. Good runner. I have a feeling that she hasn't been running in a while. And because that's what mostly happens with this seller. Or at least her new batch of engines haven't been running for a while, so they're kind of old. And they need to run in for a little second. But Mavis here is looking awesome, so that's good. Layout time. All right, here we are. Mavis is locked and loaded, ready. 2 troublesome trucks and a cattle car. And we have Neville on the other line with the narrow gauge cars. Awesome. She just looks amazing. I think this Tomy model is personally like in my top 10 or something because of how good she looks. And like she's pretty accurate as well, and just awesome model. I missed having this one. So let's send Neville on his way. Cheek. And let's now send Mavis. Go. There we go. I forgot to turn Birdie on. Come on, Birdie. Let's get you on. There we go. I'm sorry. All right. Look at her run. Birdie is stuck. You'll get it eventually, though. There she goes. Making her way. Looking awesome. Look at that. Great. And here's Neville. I should have turned on the Christmas lights, which I can actually. So I'll go do that in a little second, just to make it show a little bit better. I made a little Christmas layout, so which actually looks awesome. So I'm gonna go really quickly turn that on. Okay, there we go. It's on. You'll see it in a little second when Mavis makes her way. So yeah, look at this. This is the little Christmas track that I made. Of course the snow is already here, but now there's more trees, a little gingerbread house, some people around, and also a lot of lights, which makes it look so much better in my opinion. Let's get one of these shots in. There we go. Nice. Here comes Neville. This also looks very good in the dark. I think I'll probably include a shot of it in the dark, which looks awesome. But yeah. W purchased. W purchased. Fun fact, actually, I don't own any single Hit Toy Company item in my collection. And I have this whole crap ton of bucket full with engines. And nobody in this guy is from Hit Toy Company, which is actually kind of crazy, in my opinion, because first, when I sold my collection, I had like 15 engines or something, and 3 Hit Toy Company engines. Look at this. So this is it with the lights off. You can't see Mavis. But the Christmas track looks awesome with it. So here's Neville. And Mavis coming up right back. So what do we say? W purchase? Yeah, I will. So I'm going to end off the video right here. I hope you all have a nice Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, as I just said, I'm not sure if I'll buy anything before the end of 2025. So yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year.